In this video, we will see what is a series circuit and what are the characteristics of series circuit. So a circuit in which several resistors or capacitors or inductors are connected one after the other is called as a series circuit. You may use resistor, capacitor or inductors in this. Here the series circuit, it is also called as end-to-end connection or cascade connection, and it follows that is, there is only one path for the flow of current. If you see this circuit here, it consists of three resistors which are connected one after the other. So it is called as end-to-end connection. That is, the second end of the first one, it is connected to the first end of second one. Similarly, the second end of second, it is connected to the first end of third, and so on. Now, if you observe this circuit here, you can see the voltage drops are different across the resistors. That is, here it is V1 across R1, then across R2 it is V2, across R3 it is V3. But if you observe here, the current which is flowing through each resistor is same. Therefore, there will be only one path for the flow of current, and it is the same amount of current will flow through each resistor here. Now, the characteristics of the series circuit are the same amount of current will be flowing through all the resistors, that it will remain constant, and the voltage sum, that is the total voltage, okay, total voltage capital V will be equal to V1 plus V2 up to Vn, that is, it will be equal to the sum of individual voltage drops across the resistors. Next comes the resistor sum, or the resistance sum. Here the total resistance is the sum of all individual resistances. That is, here R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn. So R equivalent is the total resistance, that is equal to the sum of the individual resistances. Then comes the largest resistance. The largest resistance here is the equivalent resistance, that is R of EQ. It will be greater than that of all the individual resistances. So here R equivalent is greater than R1, it is also greater than R2, and so on up to Rn. So these are the characteristics of the series circuit.